Sand Dollar Beach, California, USA, Travel Guide. Sand Dollar Beach, California, USA, Travel Guide. Description: Sand Dollar Beach is a stunning coastal spot located on the California Central Coast. It features wide sandy shores, dramatic cliffs, and breathtaking ocean views. The beach is known for its natural beauty and is part of the Gaviota State Park. Visitors enjoy long walks, picnics, and exploring crowded compared to other popular California beaches, making it peaceful and relaxing. Open times and days. Sand Dollar Beach is open year-round. Daytime access is available from sunrise to sunset. There are no specific closing days. The beach remains accessible throughout the year. Precautions: the waves can be strong and dangerous for swimming. Always watch children closely near the water. There are no lifeguards on duty, so swim with caution or avoid deep water. Stay on marked trails to protect local wildlife and prevent erosion. Pack out all trash to keep the beach clean. Places must visit. The lookout point above the beach offers panoramic views of the coastline. Explore the nearby tide pools during low tide to see sea stars and other marine life. Hike the trails in Gaviota State Park for diverse scenery and wildlife spotting. Visit nearby El Capitan State Beach for additional coastal experiences. Things to do: walk or jog along the expansive sandy beach. Have a picnic while enjoying ocean views. Photography is great here, especially at sunrise and sunset. Bird watching is rewarding with many coastal species present. Surfing is possible but recommended only for experienced surfers due to rough conditions. Things not to do: do not swim in rough waters without experience or supervision. Avoid disturbing wildlife or removing shells and plants. Don't leave trash behind. Pack out everything you bring in. Avoid lighting fires on the beach as it's prohibited. Insider tips: arrive early to secure a good parking spot, especially on weekends. Bring layers. Coastal weather can be cool and windy even in summer. Check tide schedules to plan tide pool visits safely. Use sunscreen and hats to protect from sun exposure. For quiet moments, walk further north or south along the beach away from the main access point. Possible deals: look for discounts on California State Park entrance passes if visiting multiple parks. Some local tour operators offer guided hikes or wildlife tours nearby at reasonable prices. Check community boards or visitor centers for seasonal promotions or events. Best time to visit: late spring through early fall offers the best weather and calmer seas. Mornings and weekdays are less crowded than afternoons and weekends. Fall often has fewer tourists and still comfortable temperatures. Affordable places to eat nearby. Try the Black Sheep in Santa Barbara for casual American fare at good prices. About 20 minutes drive. Metropulo's Fine Foods Merchant offers Mediterranean-style sandwiches and salads affordably in Goleta. About 4 fresh seafood. Check out Santa Barbara Fish Market with takeout options at reasonable rates, around 20 minutes away. Local markets also provide picnic supplies if you prefer to eat right on the beach. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.